Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Larry Davids and this is from So You Want to Play Guitar, which you can purchase by clicking on the link below. Now in today's exciting video, we're going to look at the cage chord based on the C shape. So here's our C chord and here's an E chord based on the C shape. There's our C fingering and we need to locate the root from these cage chords. So here's an E on string 5 at fret 7. Here's an E string 2 fret 5. There's our E, and here's our chord shape. Our first finger is barring at fret 4. Now, here's the E major pentatonic scale found from this chord shape. So I'll just play it for you. So our pinky, our fourth finger here, starts on the note E, which is on string 5, fret 7. So we have our fourth finger starting on the root E, and then we finger it with fingers 1, 3, then fingers 1, 3, then 2, 4, then 1, 4. Now coming back down, it's 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, and going back up, 1, 4, and 1, 4. So we always start and end on the root. So again, here's our E chord based on the C shape, and here's our E major pentatonic starting on the note E with this fingering starting on the fourth finger. Now later on, as we explore other videos, we'll be looking at how do we actually start creating licks based on these major pentatonic fingerings and on the actual chord shape. For example, here's our E chord. So what I did there, I combined my lick based on that shape and I went to the next E chord shape. So this will all be explained thoroughly and properly in up and coming videos, but I just want to show you the potential and why it's important to get the foundation down correctly from the beginning. Getting to know our chords and getting to know our pentatonic scales found within each chord shape. Now let's move on to the key of G using the same fingering. So we need to locate the note G. Here's a G on string 5 at fret 10, and here's a G on string 2 at fret 8. So, as I've previously mentioned in other videos, it's always important to locate the root from whatever chord shape we're using. So there's our G chord using the C shape, and the G major pentatonic fingering now will be the exact same thing from E. So we're going to start with our pinky on the note G. So you can see that the fingering was exactly the same from the E shape, and now we just move up to a G chord using the C shape. And again, if you had to make licks, come up with your own licks. You can see, once you know how to make licks from a chord shape, you can play them in all 12 keys. So let's say we're in the key of A, okay, using that fingering. We have to locate the A, the root, A here at fret 12 and A here on string 2, fret 10. And here's our A chord using the C shape fingering. And now we're going to play the A major pentatonic scale based on the fingering that is associated with that chord shape. So again, we're going to start with our pinky on the root A, found at fret 12 on string 5. Okay, so have fun with getting to know that major pentatonic fingering, and in our next video we'll look at the next chord shape. Thank you for watching.